There's a rhythm beneath the noise of the mind, a slower current that carries us into truth. This is the theta state. Theta healing invites you into that space where the subconscious opens and real change becomes possible. It's both science and spirit, a bridge between who you've been and who you're becoming. In a theta healing session, we identify and shift limiting beliefs, replace them with feelings of love, safety, and worth, and reconnect you to your natural flow of energy. It's not about someone healing you, it's about awakening the healer within. When mind, body, and energy align, clarity and peace follow. Whether you're just beginning your journey or ready to deepen your mastery, you'll find everything you need at drlisacooney.com. We have private theta healing sessions, personalized support for emotional, energetic, and spiritual alignment, theta healing classes, healing bundles and downloads, self-paced tools, and guided audios to shift your energy anytime, anywhere. This season, step into clarity. Reconnect with your intuition, release what no longer serves, and expand into the life you're meant to live.